In this video, I'll show you how to easily work with and format tables in Google Docs. Let's start by formatting an existing table. Click or select your table. Go to the Extensions tab, click Text to Table Converter, then select Table Quick Format, and choose a color profile you like. Your table will be immediately formatted. You can also select multiple tables and apply the format to them at once. Next, let's create a new table from scratch. Imagine we want to show the coffee preferences of different people. For this, we'll need two columns, name and coffee preference. These will serve as the headers for our table. In the first row, we have John, who prefers Americano, and in the second row, we have Emily, who enjoys cappuccino. Now we convert this text to a table. First select the text, then go to the Extensions tab, click on Text to Table Converter, and then Selected Text to Table. The extension will create the table below your text selection. Next, let's see how we can convert a table back into text. First, select the entire table. Go to the Extensions tab again, select Text to Table Converter, and this time we click on Selected Table to Text. The text will appear in a comma-separated format below your selection. If you haven't installed the add-on yet, click on the Extensions menu, select Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons to find Text to Table Converter on the marketplace where you can install it. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos and visit our website for more helpful resources.